Hey YouTube, the Super CD80 here, and you're probably wondering why my camera is facing the closet. This is why. Yay, it's the first person shooter, oh my god! Yeah. As you can see, this is a Lego pistol. I just thought it would be nice if I could hold the camera like this, because it actually looks like a first person shooter, so bang bang, you know, kind of boom, headshot, yeah, I'm saying. Anyway, the main point of the pistol is not to fire a Lego brick, because as you can see, that's not actually a hole, it's a black brick. The point of it is just to get the looks right, and so you can reload. Like so, and you can pull this bit back. Yeah, something like that. This is just a quick video I just thought I might do, since, you know, I was talking to my friend and I was just like, hey, what if I could make a Lego pistol that just reloads? It's pretty basic. Just got the target there. The mechanism's really simple, it's just handlebar and it's just hollow in there so you can fit the magazine. But that's it. Sorry for a really short video, but I just, you know, thought I might. So see you later. Bye.